All right, Wild Grinders, let's get this video cracking. Man, we can't keep filming the same uninspired tricks in the same old spot. We need to find a new spot that no one has ever seen.
There is no such thing as a spot that no one has seen. Do you know how many skaters there are in this town? You can throw a rock and hit one every time. Ow.
Man, that's incredible. Larry, you're an old school skater. Do you know of any great spots?
Yes, I know of such a spot.
You do?
No, I'm sorry, I really don't. I just love it when people light up with excitement.
Oh, what is that? Shiny, shiny.
Oh, man, what is that around your neck?
That? Oh, that's just a stone carving of the lost skate spot. The greatest skate spot ever known to man.
What?
Sorry, bro. I took a sacred vow to never reveal where it is.
Larry, I can't believe you would hold out on us with something like that.
Yeah, man, come on. We let you live in our dumpster that we light on fire sometimes.
Sorry, guys. I will never expose the location. But whatever you do, do not look at the map I left behind that shows you exactly where the spot is. All right, later.
Goggles, fire up your camera. We're finding this spot.
Yes, can someone please tell me why we're wearing khakis?
Khakis? It's adventure wear, man. I don't think you understand the journey we are about to embark on, Emo Chris.
Hey, do you mind, buddy?
Oh, my bad, man who loves flowers. My bad. And here we are.
Wait. This is where the lost skate spot is? No, and no! There is no possible way I'm walking into the city dump.
JJ, please pull the red tab on pocket 4.
What's this?
It is an adventure-safe germ bubble made just for you.
Adventure safe germ bubble? And I feel like a hamster in one of those balls.
Okay, so Spitball, can you... quietly find a way in?
Do you guys feel like you're sliding?
Usually, but my mom says it's because I was dropped as a baby. No, I mean right
Wild Grinders, skate for your lives! That was incredible!
Whoa, am I still alive?
¿No estamos muertos? Well, looks like we're in a cave or something.
Where cars park?
Wow, man. This isn't a ruin. This is the old Sprawl City shopping mall. Wait, are we all here?
Hey, where's JJ?
All right, guys, you know the drill.
Hey, look! find it.
We're never going to make it out of here. We're doomed.
That's gonna be us. You heard them? They've been lost for 75 years.
Chill out, Grinders. All we need to do is assess this situation. Pocket number 99, a situation room.
Oh, those pockets are cool, man. Hey, what's this?
Oh, that's a flare gun.
I feel like it isn't working. Oh, there. That's how it works, man.
And that's why Adventure Wear Pocket number 60 comes pre-stocked with matches and kindling.
We're never getting out of here, are we? That's it. It's game over, man. Game over.
You know what you all need right now.
Please don't.
You can never give up. It's your life to live. You can never give up. You never give in. Never. You never give up. Say never. You never give up. We are champions fighting it out. Where we can do anything we want. With this great fear, wild riders never give up. Our dreams will come true. We'll skate that spot through and through. Never give up, you can never give in.
All right, here's the plan. We've got to skate this thing like a ramp. Wild Grinders, I recommend you live up to your name and get on your skateboards. We're taking this ramp.
Everything good up there, Rob?
I wouldn't necessarily say it's good.
Whoa, man. Check it out. The stairway to heaven is an escalator. El Diablo! We're in the other place.
Hold up. We're not dead. Look at this. We found the lost skate spot.
What? Let's skate!
Man, don't tell me what to do, man. I wonder why that happened. I hope no one pulled any levers, because I didn't, man. I didn't even see any levers. He's done it! He's destroyed the world!
Come on, man. Look at it this way. We're the last skaters to ever skate the lost spot. And we have the video footage to prove it. Now let's go home and edit this. Pocket number 175. The rescue chopper. I mean, they really think everything in these adventure suits. They really do.